So in last lecture, we have discussed the anticipation under section 13, how to reply to the FER. Now we'll discuss what are the publications are not considered as a prior art or the publications not anticipated the invention. So this section 29 to 34 are very important from Indian patent agent examination point of view because many times interpretive question for 4 marks, 10 marks are generally asked from these sections. So I would like to explain in detail with the examples, and we have also covered some examples from the patent agent examination, say in 2018, 2019, 2011. So most of the time, the questions mostly in paper 2 were asked from these sections, from section 29 to 30. And also for the practical purpose or for the practically dealing with the patent filing, these sections are very much important. So today we'll discuss the inventions not anticipated by previous publication, by previous communication to government, by public display and by public working. So before going to start with the sections, I would just like to brush up the knowledge of the prior art and how it's important, what is anticipation, and how to do a novelty assessment. Because see, anticipation is important for the novelty assessment. So in last lecture also we have discussed for our invention to be a novel, it should not be anticipated by previous publication in India or elsewhere in the world. This is how we have learned from section 30. If we read the section 30, whole subsection 1, 2 and 3. So let's again consider the same case that applicant's invention claimed in complete specification. So the same invention is already there, that is publication of the same invention before the filing of this applicant invention. So these previous publications actually anticipate this invention because the publication is before the date of filing of complete specification. So here, because of this previous publication, invention lacks the novelty. This is how we generally determine the novelty. If there are any invention or any art related to the applicant invention, then because of such publication, invention lacks its newness. That means invention lacks its novelty, and by such publication, this publication anticipates this invention. So previously we have discussed this case that previous publications actually anticipate our invention. If any such art is already there, that means that publication anticipates our invention, and our invention lacks the novelty. Now, what is this section? Section 29 to 32 are different than section 13. And what is that anticipation means? So, there are some exceptions which actually does not anticipate the invention, though there are previous publication of the same invention. And as our invention or applicant invention is not anticipated by previous publications, because we have some exceptions, so we'll study that exceptions in section 29 to 32. So if there are such exceptions which does not anticipate our invention because of prior publication also, then in this case applicant has their invention we said to be a novel, and now we have to learn this exception under section 29 to 34. So I hope you get clarity about section 29 to 34, why they are different under that chapter anticipations, because in these sections Indian Patent Act noted some exceptions which said to be, if there are the same invention already published before the filing of applicant invention, still such a publication cannot said to be anticipate our invention. That means not considered as a prior art, though that is already there into public domain or already published before the filing of applicant invention.